Welcome back to Watching Mike. Today I have the Seiko SPV157J, also known as the Mini Alpinist, which was released late 2020. So opening up the box, we have the standard warranty booklet and the cardboard card. Next we have the manual. Note this watch has the 6R35 movement, which gives it a 70-hour power reserve. And here we have it. This is the blue dial variant. It's a very nicely textured grain, as you can see here, which sort of mimics the blue calf leather grain texture as well. This is a 38mm dial, which has been slimmed down from the original Alpinist, which at 39.5mm included the inner compass bezel and also a dual crown plus crown guard, which you can see has been removed as well for this version. But it does retain a lot of the same aesthetics as the original Alpinist, with the cathedral hands, the red-tipped seconds hands, and the cream hour markers, as you can see here. Interesting enough, this watch has a 200-meter water resistance with a screw-down crown, which makes it having the same water resistance as my PADI Solar Diver. Feel like these two watches don't really belong in the same Prospex range. Nevertheless, you can see with the logos on both the dials, they are the Prospex range. And to fit the 6R35 movement, you can see it's quite thick at around 12.9mm. I like the leather backing on this calf leather strap. It's quite smooth and flexible, which I think will get a good work in once you wear it a few times. All in all, I think this variant is a very simplified design and made smaller to give it a more dressier feel, or more sort of field watch style design that fits very good with smaller wrists than the original Alpinist. Let me know in the comments below what your thoughts are on this new design, whether you like it or hate it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for future content.